Hey, how you guys doing? My name is CJ. I'm a service writer here at Harley-Davidson of Frederick. My bike here is a 2020 Street Glide Special. My biggest thing for accessorizing was I wanted to finish what the motor company started, as far as blacking everything else out. I did a set of 12-inch chiseled handlebars with the cables. You see down here we blacked everything out with the tappet blocks, the push rod tubes, the upper rockers, and even the new black bolt kit that we just came out with. Alright, so to continue my look, the last thing I did replace or install was the airflow collection, the floorboards, part of the grips, the brake lever, as well as for the shifter peg. So that brings everything together for the 2020 Street Glide that I built. Thanks.